Okay, so this is my submission for assignment 2. I'm here in Brightspace where I can download the code that I had. I'm going to download it. Then it'll be up in my downloads here. I'm just going to extract this. Let me just keep it in here for now. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to put this off to the side. Open up Eclipse. I'm going to create a new Java project. I'm going to call it assignment 2 demo, and then submit that. Then I'm going to open up the source here, and I'm going to take those files and put them in here. It's going to get angry, so there's probably a better way to do this, but I just make sure, oops, okay, I just put them all into the module named that. So now everything should be all set. I will start with test 1. So going through this, the expected is 1, 4, 15, 10, 7. That is what I get here. The min is 1, correct. 4, 7, 15, 10. 4, 7, 15, 10. Peak min is 4, 4, 4, 7, 15, 10 again. 4, 7, 15, 10. Okay, so that is correct. I'll just go through all the tests first, and then I'll explain the code for each of them after. So go additional tester now and run this. We get heap is 0, test value 0, should be 1, test value is 1, should contain 1, test value is true, should be empty, size of 0, test value is 0. Backing heap can hold multiple jobs in priority. Heap size is 9, test value is 9. The backing heap content should be A, C. Well, actually, I'll just compare them one by one. A, C, C, B, B, E, E, A's, C's, D's, D's, B's, and the 2's line up as well. So that's correct. Testing the toArray method should be A's, yep, C's, B's, E, 2A, 2C, 2D, or 1D, 2D, 2B. That's correct. Positive test count should be 7. Positive test count is 7, so that is also correct there. So now on to the class and object testers. If I test the class tester real quick. Did I run this? I didn't see. Okay, I did. So 0, 1, and 1. Should be an exception empty, exception pull, heap is empty, yep. Q should have job 1, test value 1. Q should be empty, size 0, test 0. Add 3 jobs, Q should have 1 at the top, test value 1, yep. 1 at the top, test value 1. 1 at the top, 1. 2 at the top, 2. 1,000 items, 1,000 items. 1,000. 1,000, 0 and 0. Size is 9, test is 9. And then A's, C's, E's, D's, B's, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D. So that's correct. Positive test count should be 12. Positive test count should be 12. So that is correct. Now if I go to object tester and run this, 0 and 0, 1 and 1. Exception empty, empty, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1 at the top, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1,000 items, 1,000 items, 1,000, 1,000, 0 and 0, 9, 9, A's, C's, E's, D's, B's, 2A, 2B, 2C, 2D, that's correct. Positive test count should be 12. Positive test count is 12, so that's correct. So now to go through a bit of the code, let's do the class adapter first, I guess. So in here I have the adapter. It extends min heap and then implements my priority queue as the interface. So For the actual constructor of this, we need to pass in the comparator, because the min heap in here, we want to call the min heaps constructor, which takes that in as well. So then we just do the super to call that constructor. In all of these, I added the override, so it's not needed, but when I go to just do the automatic, where it puts all the functions that were abstract in the other class, it adds override, and I think that is pretty good standard, just in case afterward you have to go back and change some code, because it doesn't hurt. It may not be needed, but it doesn't hurt. So that's why I have them there. And then for all these functions, like add, I just call, well, I guess add, and then I have min heap here. So the add is the equivalent of insert here, essentially, where it just inserts the item, and then if it completes, it will return true. And all of these I'm just calling super on the min heap. So the only thing that I don't have to call is, where is it here, is size. So size should be the exact same as the priority queue. It has the same signature, so that doesn't need to be re-implemented inside of the PQ class adapter. And then for everything else, it's pretty much the same. So clear, there was no clear in min heap, but lists have a clear automatically in Java. So I just call the super, and then you get the actual list, and then call clear on that. Contains, same thing as the last one, where it already exists in Java for lists. So I do just the get list and then contains. Peak, there is a peak min on the min heap right here. So that has the same thing. I can just return peak min. And the reason I have to put these is they do have a slightly different name, so I can't just inherit them. And then same thing with pull, with extract min in the min heap. And then toArray, this is again a built-in thing with Java with get list, so I just use get list and then turn that list into an array with their built-in function. And that should be everything for the class. So now if I go to the adapter, the difference in the adapter is I have an actual reference to a heap that I keep track of, and then because of that, in the constructor we have to pass in a heap, a min heap, and then set the one that we're keeping track of here equal to that, and that's what we operate on for all of these different functions. So in here I also have the override again for the same reason, and it's the same lineups. So add aligns with insert, clear aligns with this clear, same thing as the class for all of this stuff. Peak min, pull, size, and this time we do actually have to implement size because we're not inheriting it. But I think that is the only difference between these two classes. We're not having to keep track of anything extra, so it works out well. And I believe that is everything. I didn't have to change any code anywhere else. That is all in the code. Thank you for your time, and have a good day.